Misconceptions, that's a good one. We get them all the time. One that I hear is too expensive,
you're too lazy,
hard to use,
and security. Your home's not
probably
secure.
the four main ones we get all the times. Too expensive is probably one of the biggest misconceptions that I dislike. It turns people away from it. That probably much comes from the old school days of home automation, I guess.
Yeah, so that back then it was really expensive. Probably used to cost you your arm and a leg to do it. Literally. But now with smart home technologies, the prices come down. So now it's more affordable. So this type of stuff can actually be in everyday homes.
Correct. And we're a big believer in that. We believe any home that's been built right now, or not even just been built, it's retrofittable. So any home should be able to have smart home technology available to it. And we've kind of done that through our calculator, where we've created a calculator online. So people can go in their own time, jump on our website, and actually see how much it will cost to turn their home into a smart home. And most of our clients end up going, oh wow, is that all it costs? I didn't expect that. So that's a big one. The next one's probably what? Hard to use?
Yeah. Hard to use. No, that comes back to the installer.
Yep.
I guess the installer should always, and what we do is always train you how to use the system.
Correct.
Make you feel comfortable before we leave, so you're confident in using the system.
Yep.
I guess we also go that extra step is something we set up scenes that the house is actually doing things for you that you don't even need to get your iPad out or your phone out or your tablet out. The house is doing things for yourself.
Pretty much, like Ben said, if you provide with the right training, you'll be able to use it. Most of our clients actually find using conventional switching and that harder. They find their home so easy to use that they can't remember how they used to do it, and they find it a lot easier to use a smart home than an old conventional home.
It's even then, it's like age groups. Our clients are probably from 30 to 70. The 30-year-olds and the 70-year-olds still know how to use the system.
Correct.
So it's with the right training and the right installer and giving you that information, it just makes it a lot easier.
I guess that leads into, does it make you lazy? I don't think it makes you lazy.
Lazy is probably not the right word.
Maybe convenient.
Yeah,
correct. Convenience is probably more the right word to use.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
So convenience is like, just an example for myself, same coming home, you got shopping, your garage door opens, your alarm turns off, your garage door unlocks. So it's like, I don't have to pull my key out, get this control out to open the garage door, turn this alarm off through the keypad, get your key. Do you know what I mean? Like, it just makes it easier and simple.
That sounds like a head.
But there's even times where like you're at the kitchen sink and you're cleaning, your hands are dirty, or even my wife, like she's cooking there and the kid's coming on. It's too dark in the bathroom, it's too dark, can you turn on the light? Just go, Siri, turn on the light. Like, it just makes that easier.
Peace of mind is probably a big one that people don't think about. The peace of mind of being able to know what my house is doing at any time. I can check into my cameras. I can see if I've left the garage door open when I've left home. That's a big thing that people kind of don't think about.
I guess the final one that we hear a lot is about security. A lot of people are skeptical. They feel that once your house is connected online, it's prone to hacking. But once again, it comes back to the right installer. With our experience in IT and networking, we know how to set strong passwords. We know how to set up firewalls. We know how to make the system secure and safe. It's also from our R&D and research. The products that we've chosen and that we're using have also done that research and development. So we're confident that your house is secure.
Yeah, we make sure all the parts that we do install meet all the right requirements, meet all the government requirements and the local standards. We don't just go install anything that's called a smart home into your home. We make sure it covers all, and I guess that comes back down to our accreditations on the line. We hold master licenses, which means that's our expertise. We've got to make sure the home is secure.
Like, even with your master license, our fingerprints are down in the cop shop.
Yeah.
So literally, if something happens to your home and it's like fingerprints are there, like our fingerprints are there, our photos are there, our records are there. It's all there.
It's a big deal.
As far as security is concerned, if you choose the right installer, you won't have an issue.
Correct.